What have we got here?
Ben, I see you found our homemade venturi for applying diatomaceous
Just
earth.
careful where you're pointing that, mate.
Sorry, mate.
What's the go? It looks like it's made up out of PVC bits, is that right?
It is, yeah. 50mm PVC wire piece, a suction tube about half the diameter of your wire piece, a reducer, a bit of tape if you need to make it fit, and just cut the top of that suction tube on a 45 to create the venturi effect.
Yeah, okay. And you've got a bigger one here. That's for the bigger blower, is that right?
Yeah, bigger blower, bigger venturi for the flat bottoms or sheds, and just adjust the suction in or out of the airflow until you get a good balance of suction and without distributing, disturbing your airflow too much.
Yeah, okay. And you can give us a list of the bits?
Yep, any hardware store should have most fittings, and what's better than cheap is homemade.
Fantastic.